to use Pythagoras theorem here. So let us do that one. What's given here are right triangle. It is given, correct? Triangle, it is right angle, triangle, right angle that B. Correct? That is given. Yeah. So what's the given here? In figure, O is a point interior of a triangle ABC. Correct? OD is perpendicular to BC, and OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Correct? The same way, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus DF square. So this one is we need to prove. So first of all, it is already, we can write that one. What are given here? Given here are point A. O is the point interior to this triangle ABC. Correct? That one we can write here. Let me start writing. Given here, yeah. O is a point. O is a point interior in the interior of triangle ABC. Correct. So in that one also given OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. This much is given. Correct. Now what we need to prove, to prove that OA square, this is the first part I am writing, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square, which is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. The second part it is, this is first part, and second part it is we need to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay, so these two we need to prove. Correct. So how we can prove this one? How we can prove this?
First I think.
First,
I don't know.
Think. It's already shown there.
Just solve the problem. The first one.
First, you need to join. You can see the figure, isn't it? Only this much it is given, and this is join BO, OO, AO, and CO. We need to join. So construction should be done. What's the construction? Construction. What construction we can do here? Join AO, BO, and CO. So after joining this one, after joining this one, what we are getting? We are getting right triangles, correct? Because this one it is right triangle, this one it is right triangle, this one, all these are right triangles. Why we taken this right triangle? Because B is not given here, it is a right angle. So, but here it is given perpendicular. That means we are getting different triangles, right triangles here. Now, proof part we can start with proof. So, you can see what's the proof here. I am going to take first these two triangles. Which one we can take? This AOB, correct? Which one I am taking? AO, we can not AOB, we can take this triangle, it is AOF, and we can take AOF, in which AO square it is the hypotenuse, isn't it? In triangle AOF, in which AO is the hypotenuse, so we can write OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square, correct? Same way, we need, what we need on the other side, we need AF square it is here. So from this one we can write AF square is equal to taking OF square to the other side, OA square already there. OF we taken to the other side. So it becomes OA square minus OF square. So this become equation 1. Okay. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Why it is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we use here. Now another triangle we can take which one? We can take the next triangle. This one we can take, this one we can take, orderly we can take. Okay. So this one already over. Now this one we can take BOF. In triangle BOF we have BO is the hypotenuse. So we can write here BO square is equal to BO square plus BF square, but we need BF on the other side. So we can take that one. We need BD, so we can take other triangle here. Okay, because we need BD square, AF square, BD square, and CE square. So we can take which three triangles? First we can take this triangle and this triangle and then this triangle. Okay, all other three we will take later. This one, 1, 2, and 3. So in triangle BOD, we can take BOD here. BO is the hypotenuse. BO square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Correct. But we need BD, so we can write BD square is equal to BO square minus OD square. I am taking next page. This one also equation 2. Then next one it is COE. Next triangle it is should be taken as which one? COE. Good in. Give me a minute. Yes. Yeah. Next page we can write which one? In triangle COE, we have which one? COE. We have OC is the hypotenuse. So OC square is equal to CE square plus CE square plus OE square. So taking OE square to the other side, you will get CE square is equal to OC square minus OE square. Correct? OE square equation 3. Now all these three equations if we add, what you will get the first equation it is AF square, second equation BD square, correct? And third equation it is CE square. I am writing here AF square plus BD square plus CE square on LHS. All others should be added here. It is OA minus OF, correct? OA square minus OF square. Second one should be added here. Second one it is BO minus OD, correct? So BO square minus OD square. Last one it is OC square minus OE square. So which three? These three, equations, right hand sides we added here. Now we can add orderly that one is in positives. We can write first AOA square plus OA square plus BO square plus OC square and minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Simply change the order. So the first part of this is the first part. Okay. For the second part, other three triangles we need to take. So look in this case, which three are we need to take? 4, 5, and 6. So BOF, COD, and AOE. Correct. So let us do that one also, and then I will give you time. Okay. So here it is. In triangle, which one we need to take first? AOE. Correct. Let me check once again. AOE. Correct. Again, we can write AO square is equal to OE square OE square plus OE square plus AE square. Correct. Again, AE square, what we need on the other side, what we need, AE square it is needed. So we can write here AE square is equal to AO square minus OE square. Okay. So equation 4 here. Next one, In triangle, which triangle we need to take? BOD, correct? BOF, this one. BOF we have to take. So BOF, what we will get? BO square is equal to BO square is equal to OF square plus BF square, but we need BF. So we can write BF square is equal to BO square minus OF square. Okay. So yeah, till this over. Then equation 2, equation 5 here. Similarly, other one also we can take. Which one? In triangle. Which triangle we need to take? That one? COD, correct? Which we need triangle COD. Again, OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. So CD square can be written as OC square minus OD square. So this is equation 6. But from all these equations, we can add all these. What you will get? AE square plus BF square plus CD square equal to what we are getting? AO square minus OE square, AO square minus OE square plus BO square minus OF square. Then comes which one? Last one, it is OC square minus OD square. If we orderly write this one, what you will get? AO square plus BO square plus OC square. All the positives first and then orderly negatives. OD square plus OD square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Correct. So you can see this is AD square, BO square. Correct. We are getting here AD square. AO square plus BO square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square, equation 7. Look at this equation 7 and this equation, this one we can say an A here. Okay, you can see these sides are equal. Therefore, what we can say? Their other sides also we can write equal. Correct. Which one we need? I think that we taken different one. We need to prove that one. AF square plus BD square plus CE square, isn't it? So we are getting this one AF square. Which one it is AF square? Here. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. Got it? So from these two, equation A and equation, from equation A and 7, we can say one side is equal, therefore the other side is also equal. So from equation A and equation 7, we have AF square plus, what's one? AF square plus BD square plus CE square, BD square plus BD square plus CF square is equal to, other side it is AE square plus BF square plus AF square plus BE square plus CD square. So hence we proved here. Hence prove. Little lengthy, but need to do it thoroughly. So practice 2 times, here 3 times to get it. So let's